With Testuff, you can manage and follow up on your requirements. Requirements are managed in the Requirements tab. You can create requirements by clicking Add Requirement. Give it a name, attach a file if needed, and set the priority and risk levels. Press Save. And there it is. The requirement list shows the status of the tests in the requirements. Right-click offers easy access to edit and perform various actions. Requirements can be linked to a suite. Any changes to the suite from now on will be reflected in the requirement automatically. Click on More to access a few more useful features. Use the Quick Add menu to create multiple requirements at once. Add one per line. They can always be edited later. Requirements can also be imported from an Excel or from any tool once you've linked it to Testuff. To access this option, go to the home screen and edit your project settings. Choose the requirement tool from the list of tools that you've already linked to Testuff, and don't forget to click Apply. Now you can start assigning tests to the requirements. Highlight the desired requirement and click on the Assign Tests link. Select a test or a group of tests and assign them by using right-click or the Assign button, which also shows you how many tests you've selected, or simply drag and drop them into the window on top. Use the filter options to easily find the tests you want to assign to the requirement. Use the Operate on All button to assign all the listed tests at once. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. For more tutorials, visit us at testuff.com.